Hey, good morning. This is Meir Vilensky with Driving Markets. Hope everyone is well. I was asked by a few clients, why is it called Driving Markets? Because, quite simple, I'm in the car driving and talking about markets. So I called it Driving Markets, which I thought was a good title for the publication on YouTube. So let's talk about markets. So last week, markets in the US closed at all-time highs. The UK market pushed up, the European market pushed up. What's interesting though, as I mentioned over again, gold pushed up, silver pushed up, oil pushed up, and also the yield on the 10-year Treasury pushed up. This week you've got some major earnings reports from the FANGs, F-A-A-N-G, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google. Wow, all of those are going to report earnings this week. What can you expect? You're probably going to expect good growth from Facebook, Google. You might have a drop in Netflix, something to do with publications and the fact that their forecast last time was going to be lower revenues. And also Apple is probably going to have a low revenue. JP Morgan came out and said they expect Apple's earnings to be less than they were previously. In simple language, Apple has had a major pipeline bottleneck of supply and therefore couldn't get its stuff out or its goods out. As a result, you're probably going to get maybe a shortfall in Apple's earnings. We'll see. Snap also reported some difficulty last week and a drop in earnings due to Apple software, etc. So what have we got this week? The probability is that oil is going to continue moving up. I'm very bullish on oil. I can see it going above $100 a barrel very quickly. This morning it's running at $85 a barrel. I've been seeing all of last week, 2 weeks, oil, buy oil, because I think oil is going to go higher. But that's my opinion. Remember, everything I say is an opinion. So if you go and do something and lose money, please don't sue me and start coming up that I give advice. I'm not giving advice, I'm giving opinion only. That's regarding oil. Also, I think, in my opinion, that gold is a buy. I think gold is going to breach the 1820 level quite quickly and then run up towards 2000. And I think silver is a real winner. So I think that's my opinion, that silver is going to go up as well. However, taking all that into account, when you've got gold, silver, and the metals going up, and the 10-year Treasury yield going up, and oil going up, and these are not good ingredients for long-term growth. Eventually someone's going to wake up and say, wow, hold on one second, you've got defensive stocks, which is gold. People turn to gold when they're nervous. You've got oil going up, which is an inflationary element in the economy, and you've got 10-year Treasury yields going up, means they're expecting interest rates to go up. That's interesting. So what I suggest you do is you trade very carefully. Look at the markets. I would say again, look at what I've mentioned regarding oil and gold. Only trade, as I say every time, with regulated firms. Do not trade with any of these non-regulated firms, because a non-regulated firm, quite simply, as I've stressed over and over again, is out to take your money, and they're out to scam you, likely to scam you. 99% of them are scammers if they're non-regulated. So only trade with a regulated firm. Regarding strategies for trading, remember all the time to put in stop losses, but you can put in wide stop losses and take profits, which is stop losses is an SL, take profits as a TP. You can also, if you don't want to realize a loss, you can also hedge your position and go long and short on the same position. So all of that, you can contact me for strategy and tactics. You can contact me on LinkedIn or on WhatsApp if you have a number, or you can comment on this YouTube. So this is Meir Vilensky with Driving Markets. Wish you well, have a good day, and we'll speak soon.